In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a phone from Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search, compare options, review protections, and communicate with a seller so you can make a confident purchase. Start by opening your web browser and going to Alibaba.com. This is a massive marketplace with suppliers from around the world, so taking a moment to get familiar with the layout will help. At the top of the page, you'll see a prominent search bar. Click into it and type phone or cell phone. If you already have a brand or model in mind, include that to narrow the results. You can also add details like storage size or color in your search term to refine what you see. Go ahead and press the search button. The results page will load with a wide range of phones from different brands and models. Take a moment to scan the product cards. You'll usually see the price range, the minimum order quantity, shipping options, and a brief description. Use this view to compare at a glance, then click into listings that match what you want. If you notice badges like trade assurance or quick ship indicators, keep those in mind as positives. Before buying, check the ratings and reviews carefully. Look for a solid average rating and a good number of reviews and read the most recent comments. Photos from buyers can reveal real-world quality. Check how long the supplier has been active and how responsive they are. Consistency across reviews and evidence of recent successful orders are strong signs you're dealing with a reliable seller. Next, review the easy return information on the listing. Confirm the return window, what condition the phone must be in, whether the package needs to be unopened, and who pays return shipping. Policies can vary by seller, so make sure the terms are clear and acceptable to you before proceeding. Also confirm money-back protection. On Alibaba, this is typically covered by trade assurance, which helps protect your payment if the product isn't shipped on time or doesn't match the listing. Read the coverage details on the product page so you understand how to file a claim if anything goes wrong. Finally, communicate with the seller before finalizing your order. Send a brief message to confirm the exact model, storage, color, network compatibility, whether the phone is unlocked, warranty terms, and estimated shipping time. Ask for a clear quote that includes shipping and any add-ons you need. A responsive, transparent seller is a good sign you'll have a smooth experience. Follow these steps, take your time comparing options, and you'll be ready to buy a phone on Alibaba with confidence.